Welcome to Sweden, a land of northern lights, Nobel Prizes, and natural beauty. Located in northern Europe on the Scandinavian peninsula, Sweden shares borders with Norway and Finland and is connected to Denmark by the Øresund Bridge. It has a long coastline along the Baltic Sea. The capital is Stockholm, a stunning city spread across 14 islands. Sweden has a population of about 10.5 million. The official language is Swedish, and the currency is the Swedish krona, SEK. Sweden is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary democracy. King Carl XVI Gustaf is the ceremonial monarch, while the Prime Minister handles governance. Sweden is known for its neutrality, progressive policies, and high quality of life. It's a member of the EU, but not NATO, and does not use the euro. The economy is strong and based on innovation, manufacturing, green energy, and services. Sweden is a nature lover's paradise. Nearly 70% of the land is covered in forest, and there are over 100,000 lakes. The country stretches far north into the Arctic Circle, where the midnight sun shines in summer and northern lights dance in winter. National parks, archipelagos, mountains, and wild moose make Sweden a perfect escape into the outdoors. Swedish culture values equality, sustainability, and simplicity. The Lutheran Church is historically dominant, though society is largely secular. Sweden gave the world ABBA, IKEA, Spotify, and the Nobel Prizes. The country celebrates midsummer with flower crowns and dancing, and Lucia Day in December lights up the long winter nights. Fun fact: Sweden ranks among the most innovative nations globally. Swedish cuisine is wholesome and comforting. Signature dishes include meatballs, herring, gravlax, cured salmon, and open-faced sandwiches. Fika, the cultural tradition of sharing coffee and pastries, is a daily ritual. Don't miss cinnamon buns, kanelbullar, and lingonberry jam. Sports are a huge part of life. Football and ice hockey are the most popular, followed by skiing and floorball. Sweden has produced stars like Zlatan Ibrahimovic and Björn Borg. The Vasaloppet, the world's oldest cross-country ski race, is a cherished tradition. Sweden offers travelers a unique mix of history and modernity. Explore Viking ruins, colorful old towns, eco-friendly cities, and untouched wilderness. Whether you're chasing northern lights or just craving a cinnamon bun with a view, Sweden will surprise and inspire you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.